Let us see 16 to 20. Study the table carefully to answer the questions that follow. The table given shows the runs scored, number of matches played, the average number of runs per innings, total number of fours and six, and ratio of fours and six hit by five batsmen in IPL 2016. So this is the mains related question, clerical mains. So there are five batsmen, namely Virat Kohli, David Warner, AB de Villiers, Gautam Gambhir and Shikhar Dhawan. So in some the blank values are there, missed values. You have to calculate the missed values based on the questions. And for some, we are given with total runs, number of matches played, average, total number of fours and six, 121. In this, how many fours and how many six, the ratio is given is in the last. That is given for only AB de Villiers, 7:5. That means number of fours is 7 parts, number of six is 5 parts. Let us directly move to the questions. What is the total number of runs made by all five batsmen in IPL 2016 if David Warner is 33 1 by 3 less than the average of Virat Kohli, and runs scored by Shikhar Dhawan is equal to runs scored by Gautam Gambhir. So we have to find the total runs of five batsmen, that is Virat Kohli, David Warner, A.V. de Villiers, Gautam Gambhir and Shikhar Dhawan. So if you see the data, we are having A.B. de Villiers score as 848, Shikhar Dhawan score 570. The run scored by Shikhar Dhawan is equal to run scored by Gautam Gambhir. So Gautam Gambhir is also equal to 570. We have to find Virat Kohli and David Warner. Virat Kohli, the average is 60, total number of matches played 16. So what is 60 into 16? 960. If you come to David Warner, the average is 33 1 by 3 less than Virat Kohli average. What is Virat Kohli average? 60. 33 1 by 3 less means 2 by 3. That will give 40. 40 is the average of David Warner. David Warner is playing 20 matches. So 40 into 20 is equal to 800. How many runs? 800. If you do the total, so that is 8, 7 plus 7, 14, 18, 24, 2 plus 5, 7, 12, 20, 28, 37. It is 3,748 runs. Option 1. Next. What percentage of runs are made by AB de Villiers by hitting fours and six if total fours and six hit by AB de Villiers is 60% more than total fours and six hit by Gautam Gambhir? So we have to find the runs, percentage of runs made by AB de Villiers by hitting fours and six. If total fours and six hit by AB de Villiers is 60% more than total fours and six hit by Gautam Gambhir. So Gautam Gambhir is hitting 60. So 60% more means it will be 8 by 5. That will give 96. In this 96, there will be fours and also sixers. So AB de Villiers, the fours and six are fours and sixers are in the ratio of 7:5. So 7 plus 5, 12. 96 by 12 is 8. So 7 into 8, 56. And 5 into 8, 40. So he is hitting 56 fours. So total runs is 224. 40 sixers, total runs 240. So total we are getting 464 runs by boundaries by AB de Villiers out of 848. 848 into 100. We have to do into 100. Since it is asked approximately, so I am taking 464 by 850 into 100. Let us do the calculation. 0, 0, 5 17s, 5 2s. 464 into 2. 3 2 4s, 8, 12, 9. 928 divided with 17. 17 5s, 85. Again 17 4s something. So we are getting approximately 54 equal to 55. Let us see the next one. What is the difference of the runs, difference in the average of the runs made by Shikhar Dhawan and AB de Villiers? If AB de Villiers average is 11 by 6 less than the average of Virat Kohli, and the number of innings played by Gautam Gambhir and Shikhar Dhawan are equal. You have to find the difference in average runs made by Shikhar Dhawan and AB de Villiers. Now AB de Villiers average is 11 by 6 less than Virat Kohli average. What is Virat Kohli average from the table? 60. 11 by 6. 11 by 6 is 70 by 600 or 7 by 60. 7 by 60 less means we have to take 53 by 60. So 60 cancel, 53. This is AB de Villiers average. Now Shikhar Dhawan. Now Shikhar Dhawan we have to calculate. Shikhar Dhawan, how many runs are there? 570. The matches played by Gautam Gambhir and Shikhar Dhawan are equal. So Gautam Gambhir is playing 15 matches. So divide 570 with 15. 15 3s, 15 8s. 38 is Dhawan average. So difference. What is the difference of 53 and 38? It is 15. So correct answer is 2. Let us see the next one. 19th question. What is the difference between the number of runs, number of fours hit by Virat Kohli to the number of fours hit by AB de Villiers? If total number of fours and six hit by AB de Villiers is 60% more than fours and six hit by Gautam Gambhir, the ratio of fours and six hit by Virat Kohli is 8:3. Now, Virat Kohli, how many fours? We have to calculate the difference between the fours only by Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers. First, let us take Virat Kohli fours. Fours of Virat Kohli. First, let us calculate that one. Virat Kohli is hitting 121 boundaries. Virat Kohli is hitting 121 boundaries. The ratio of the fours and six hit is 8:3. Fours, sixers. What is the ratio? 8:3. What is 8 plus 3? 11. So 121 by 11 is 11. It is 88. It is 33. That means he is hitting 88 fours. Virat Kohli. Now come to which one we have to calculate? AB de Villiers. AB de Villiers, the number of fours and six hit by AB de Villiers is 60% more than Gautam Gambhir. Gautam Gambhir is hitting 60. So now AB de Villiers. So 60 into 8 by 5. That will give 96. In this 96, 4s and 6 are in the ratio of 7:5 for AB de Villiers. So 7 plus 5, 12. 96 by 12 is 8. So 8 into 4, 32. So, sorry. So 7 plus 5, 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. So if you take 12, 96 by 12. 96 by 12 is 8. 96 by 12 is 8. So 8 into 7 it is 56. 56. These are the fours hit by AB de Villiers. We have to find the difference. So what is the difference of 88 and 56? The answer is 32. Option is 4. Let us see 20th question. What is the sum of the percentage of runs made by Gautam Gambhir and Virat Kohli except the runs hit by fours and sixes? Other than boundaries, you have to calculate the runs made by Gautam Gambhir and Virat Kohli. If the ratio of fours and six hit by Gautam Gambhir and Virat Kohli is 5:1 and 8:3. First Gambhir, fours, six. What is the ratio? 5:1. So 5:1. And then Virat Kohli. Gautam Gambhir is hitting 60. Gautam Gambhir is hitting 60. In this 5 plus 1, so it is 6. So 6 means he is hitting 54s and 10 sixers. 54s and 10 sixers. 54s means 50 into 4, 200. 10 sixers, 10 into 6, 60. So he is hitting 260 runs by boundaries. Then the Gautam Gambhir average is 38. He is playing 15 matches. So 38 into 15. That is how much? 570. Out of 570, 260 runs are by boundaries. Other than boundaries, the runs are 310. Now, other than boundaries, what is the score? So 310 by 570 or 31 by 57 into 100. Let us do this calculation. 3100 divided with 57. 57 fives, 285. Again we will get 250 something. So again we will get approximately 4. So it is 54%. 54% for Gautam Gambhir. Now we have to calculate Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is hitting 60 into 16, 960 runs. Total runs are 960. In these boundaries are 121. In these boundaries, we are having 8:3. So 4s and 6 are in the ratio of 8:3. 8 plus 3, 11. So it is 88, 33. 88 into 4 is 352. 33 into 6, 198. Total 550 runs. So other than boundaries, out of 960, 550 are from boundaries. Other than boundaries, it is 410. Or you can take 41 by 96 into 100. So 41 by 96 into 100, we will get approximately 4100. I am dividing with 96. 96 fours, 384. 10 minus 4, 6, 260. Now 96 3. It is not exactly 3 times, approximately 2 times. So it is 43. This is 54. Total sum will be 97. 54 plus 43, approximately 97. We can near to 98. 98 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. 21 to 25. Given below is the table which shows the details about the students of a school ABC in five different years. The table gives the ratio of the students who play cricket to that of football. The table also gives the ratio of boys and girls. So here we are given with certain data for 5 years. If you see 2000, 2001, 2, 3, 4, and total students are there in this boys and girls. Out of boys, cricket playing boys, football playing boys. Out of girls, cricket playing girls and football playing girls. Now let us straight away go to the questions. First one, what is the difference between the girls playing cricket in 2001, boys playing football in 2002? So 2001, girls playing cricket. Girls cricket in 2001. We have to calculate girls cricket in 2001. So 2001, how many girls are there? 700. Total students 700. In this, girls are 12 parts. So 12 by 25. In this, we want cricket playing girls. So it will be 1 by 4. So 25 into 4 is 100. 7. 7 into 12, 84. Next, boys football. We have to calculate boys football in 2002. 2002, what is the total strength? 825. In this, we want boys, it will be 3 by 5. In this, we want football, it will be 5 by 9. 5 by 9. 5 cancel, 3 ones, 3 threes, 3 27s, 3 5s. So we are getting 275. So one value you got 84, one value you got 275. We have to find the difference. So difference of 275 and 84. What is the difference of 275 and 84? It is 191. Option is 1. Next one. What is the sum of the average number of boys playing cricket in 2000, 2002 and 2003, and the average number of girls playing football in the same year? So we have to take only these 3 years. Boys. First I am calculating boys cricket in 2000, 2002, 2003. Okay. Now do one by one. First 2000, total students are 600. Boys will be 5 by 12. In this we want cricket 3 by 5. So 5 cancel, 12 ones 1250, it is 150. Now 2002, total strength is 825. In this boys will be 3 by 5. In this cricket playing boys will be 4 by 9. See here 3 ones, 3 threes, 5 into 3 15, 15 fives, 15 fives, we will get 220, 220. Now 2003, total students are 650. In this boys will be 7 by 13. In this cricket will be 3 by 7. 7 cancel. It is again 150. So total value we are going to get 520. This is about boys. Now you have to calculate girls football. Girls football from the same year, that is 2000, 2002 and 2003. So first we will calculate the girls, 2000 girls. So 600, total students are 600. Girls will be 7 by 12. In this we want football playing girls. It will be 4 by 7. 7 cancel, 4 ones, 4 threes, 3 ones, 3 200. That is 200. Now 2002. 2002 total strength is 825. Boys are 3 parts, girls will be 2 parts. In this football playing girls 7 by 11. 7 by 11. 11 sevens, 11 fives, 5 ones, 5 15. 15 into 2 30, 30 into 7 210. Next 2003. It is 650. Girls are 6 by 13. In this football playing girls are 3 by 10. Let us do this one. 13 ones, 13 50, 10 ones, 10 5. It is 6 into 5 30, 30 into 3 90. So total we are going to get 500. So one value you got 520, other value you got 500. What is the sum of the average? That means 520 plus 500 is 1020 divided by 3. Since it is average divided by 3, so 3 3 is 9, 3 4. So the answer is 340. 340 is the correct answer. Let us see the next one. In 2005, the total number of students are increased by 72, 8 by 11% when compared to 2004, and the ratio of boys and girls are becoming 9 is to 10. Then the number of girls playing football in 2005 is 40% of the girls. Find the number of girls playing football in 2005 if 40% of the girls are playing cricket in 2005. In 2005, the total students are increased by 72, 8 by 11. See, 72, 8 by 11 means 8 by 11. 8 by 11 increase means 19 by 11. 2004 total strength are 550. 2005's total strength will be into 9 by 11. That will give 950. In this 950, boys and girls are there in the ratio of 9 is to 10. So total 19 parts. So 950 by 19 is 50. So 450 boys and 500 girls. Out of 500 girls, if 40% are playing cricket, so 500 are the girls. In this cricket is there, football is there. 40% are playing cricket. That means 60% will play football. That means what is the ratio? 2 is to 3. So cricket playing girls are 200, football playing girls are 300. We want to find the girls who play football. So the answer is 300. Option is 3. Option is 3. See the next question. What is the average number of boys in the school in those years where boys is less than girls? See how to observe the ratio for this. Here one clause is given, boys is less than girls. In this, boys are less than girls in 2000, and in 2004, boys are less than girls. In this, you have to calculate the boys and you have to find the average. So first 2000, you have to take 2000 year. Total students are 600. Boys will be 5 by 12. That will give 250. In 2004, total strength is 550. In this boys are 5 by 11, that is also 250. So the average also will be 250. Option 4 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question, 25. Find the ratio of the girls playing cricket in 2000, 2002 and 2004 to that of boys playing cricket in 2001, 2003. First, let us calculate girls cricket in 2000, 2002, 2004. Okay. So first, girls playing cricket in 2000. 600 into 7 by 12 into 3 by 7. So 7, 7 cancel. 50, 50 into 3, 150. Next, 2002. 825 into girls will be 2 by 5. In this cricket, so girls cricket is 4 by 11. 4 by 11. 11 ones, 11 sevens, 5 ones, 5 15. So 15 twos 30, 30 into 4, 120. Then 2004, it is 550. In this, girls are 6 by 11. In this, we want cricket 8 by 15. 8 by 15. 11 ones, 11 fives, 5 threes, 5 tens, 3 ones, 3 twos. It is 160. So total, we are going to get 430. Then we have to calculate boys playing cricket in 2001, 2003. Boys playing cricket in 2001. So 700 into 13 by 25 into 3 by 4. So 91 into 3, 273. Now 2003. 650 into 7 by 13 into 3 by 7. 7, 7 cancel. It is 150. Total, it is 423. So boys, find the ratio. We have to find the ratio. One is 430 girls, 423 boys. So the answer is 430 is to 423. Option is 1. Let us see 26 to 30. Study the following graph carefully to answer the given questions. Here we are given with one table, that is one bar diagram. Given below is the amount of rice, wheat and sugar sold by 5 different shopkeepers in the year 2015. So based on this, you have to answer the questions. So for this type of questions, first what we will do, instead of taking the bar diagram, you draw one table. So first one, the shopkeeper. First one is the shopkeeper. Next one is the items, that is wheat, then it is rice, then it is sugar. Shopkeeper, wheat, rice and sugar. So below the names, that is A, shopkeeper names A, B, C, D and E. Okay, now, and there is one more thing, total. Let us take the total also. Okay, first of all, A. A, this value is 750. So what is the first value? 750. What about the next value? Rice 600. This is also 600. Come to B. This is 600. So first one is 600. This is 800. And this one is 550. 550. Come to C. This is 500. Then the next one is 550. The next one is 350. 350. Next, this is 700. This one is 600. This one is 500. 700, 600, 500. Last one, E, 650, 750, and last one, 500. Let us do the totals also. Let us do the totals. See this one. 750 plus 650, 1400. 1400 plus 600, 2000. 2500, 3200. The first one is 3200. Let us take this one. 750 plus 550, 1300. 1300 plus 600 is 900, 1900. 1900 plus 800, 2700, that is 3300. 3300. The last one, 550 plus 350, 900, 1500, 2000, 2500. 2500. Now let us move to the questions. What is the total quantity of rice and wheat by shopkeeper C? Shopkeeper C. This is shopkeeper C. Rice and wheat. So rice and wheat total 500 plus 550, that is 1050. 1050 is to sugar and wheat by E. E sugar and wheat. This is E sugar and wheat. 500 plus 650, that is 1150. We have to find the ratio. 0 0 cancel. 521 523. So what is the answer? 21 is to 23. 21 is to 23 is the correct answer. See the next question. Okay, let us see the next one. Find the amount of rice sold by A and B is what percent more or less than wheat sold by C and D. Rice by A and B. This is rice A and B. So what is A and B rice? 600 plus 800. That is 1400. 1400. Then wheat by C and D. This is wheat C and E. So C and E value 500 plus 700 is how much? So wheat of C and E. C and E. 500 plus 650. 1150. One value is 1150. Now let us simplify this. 0 0. 528, 523. Now what is the question? A and B, that is 28 is more than 23 or less than 23? It is definitely more. How much more? 5. From where it is more? 23 into 100. So divide 500 with 23. 500 I am dividing with 23. 23 2s 46. 23 1s 23. The answer is 2117 by 23. 2117 by 23. 3 is the correct answer. Next one. Which quantity out of the 3 sold by 5 shopkeepers is maximum? So already you have written the value in this, which is maximum. So definitely by observation you can tell it is rice. Rice is maximum. That is by observation. Next question. If the total quantity of wheat and rice sold by all shopkeepers is increased by 25% and 200 by 33%. Now first take wheat. Total wheat is 3200. It is increased by 25%. Increased by 25% means into 5 by 4. We will get 4000. Then rice. Total rice is 3300. Increased by 200 by 33%. 200 by 33% means 2 by 33. 2 by 33 increase means it will be 35 by 33. 35 by 33. Therefore, we will get 3500. Now we have to find the difference between these two. So what is the difference between these two? 500 kgs. Option will be 5. Next question. If the selling price per kg of wheat and rice are in the ratio of 3:5 in 2015 for shopkeeper A, and the selling price per wheat is increasing by 25% next year, then what is the quantity of wheat sold in 2016 by A if total amount obtained by selling wheat in A is 11,250 and amount obtained by selling A rice in 2015 is 12,000. Let us take first this one. A 2015 rice. This is the date of 2015 only. A rice is how many kgs? 600 kgs. A rice is how many kgs? 600. The selling price of wheat and rice are in the ratio of 3:5. That means wheat will be 3 parts, rice will be 5 parts. Now we are taking rice. So this is 600 into 5x. And we are getting how many thousand rupees? 12,000 rupees. Let us do the calculation. Two zeros cancel. 6 1 6 20. Therefore 5x is equal to 20. X value 4. If x value is 4, the wheat price is 3x. 3x means 3 into 4 12. Rice will be 5x. 5 into 4 20. The price of the wheat is 12 rupees. The price of rice is 20 rupees. That is in 2015. In 2016, the wheat price increasing by 2000. How much percent? 25%. In 2016, wheat price increasing by 25% means 12 into 5 by 4, that is 15 rupees. Now this is wheat price in 2016 and we are getting total 11,250. Total amount we are getting 11,250. 1 kg we are selling for 15 rupees. So we are selling how many kgs? That is the question. Now 15 sevens 105, 15 5 0. So we are selling 750 kgs. So what is the correct answer? 750 kgs is the correct answer. So in the next class we will discuss some more problems.